This model, the CS-F1, features 19-inch front and 17-inch rear off-road tires, a 1500W motor, front and rear shock absorbers, a 22.5 Ah battery, 3-speed adjustable electric power assist, hydraulic disc brakes at both the front and rear, and turn signals in both the headlight and taillights for enhanced safety. Its high-torque motor provides strong climbing ability, and it reaches a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Its superior off-road performance delivers a premium riding experience. Let's go for a ride.